Hello, in front of me I've got Corsair K100. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable device memory mode. In the beginning, go to Corsair app and go to Corsair K100. Now switch this button to enable device memory mode. In device memory mode, all your device settings such as lighting are stored directly in the device memory. These settings won't be controlled by LCU profiles, third-party software or games integrations. Now, in device memory mode, you can create profiles and manage lighting effects, key assignments, performance for your keyboard. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.